Hello everyone. In this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Holden Commodore VE 2008 SV6 Series 1. The car came with the factory CD player, and the components are removed here. You can see that is single zone air conditioner, and at this moment it is replaced with the new full feature package 7-inch touchscreen, including wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Autos, and also it comes with the USB connection here, so you can connect the USB port or your data video thing over there. It is certainly come with the Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera, which is fit at the very best position at the back of the car, and we would like to show where actually the camera is. So here is the back tailgate, and the camera is fit right here, so you can see right into this slot over here. Then the wiring is running through the tailgate and running under the body and running along the body and running into the body and into the cabin, and yep, it comes into the back of this head unit as usual. And now we can see when we pull the gear stick to the reverse, you can see how clear, how detailed the Full HD reverse camera is, and it is fully adjustable. So in case if the owner want to change the angle of view, yeah, he can certainly do that. And yeah, it instantly move back to where the previous screen of the application was, and it instantly moved to the reverse camera. So very sharp and detailed. Now the system, the car has factory steering wheel control with those buttons. You can see that it's moving straight away on the screen, and those button, phone call, mute, and those audio changing button, yep, they all work well into the new system. And the very best next thing is the system is equipped with one of equivalent very strong dedicated amplifier, which is about 200 watts output, and it has a very high level amplifier controller inside. So at this moment the sound from the car is decent or very excellent. Yeah, it is easily to be tuned up, and yeah, easily to enjoy at the much better level than what it was with the factory CD player. And we should mention that the air conditioner control here is working very easy, very efficient, and it has touch button over here, so cool and so easy to use. Okay. So yeah, it's all about the knob and the touch button working very nice and easy. Yeah, and yep, it's just about that. Before we finalize with this setup, we send the demonstration photo to the owner, and yeah, we both agree that this silver gray color trim looks really nice, matching with the side wings panel here, and it make it look so cool, so nice, like factory fit frame into the car. We prefer this one. Definitely, personally, I prefer this frame if this is my car. No, I don't use Holden Ute, but if in case I use this one, I definitely choose this one over the gray black one. Just personal choice. It's up to you. If you have another choice of the darker black one, yeah, no problem. We have another video showing that one in other Holden VE, but in this VE we really like the way the side wing silver one matching to the new setup. It looks so nice. Yeah, it's just that. And also you see some other silver trims on the steering. Everything looks really matching like it is combo from factory. And the screen is 100% millimeter gap, you know, just like factory fit on the surface and everywhere around the screen. So far, yeah, that's what we have done for the car. We done it at the best, and we also would like to share how we fit those system and the part of system into this car in another video link, and you can click it at the back of at the end of this review. And also, if you want to see the review of wireless Android Auto, please click another video in our YouTube channel too. Thank you for watching, and yeah, see you on the next one. Reverse, forward. Oh no, it's not voice command for this. All right, it's my hands moving. Thank you, and see you then.